All right, everyone, now I'm going to explain your clean and press test. Stability level, you're doing a clean squat press for 100 reps as fast as possible. Good goal time might be around under 10 minutes, but you want to do the entire thing until it's done. If it takes you 25 minutes, so be it. The thing is, you're going to be doing clean, squat, and presses. And here's how you're going to do the exercise. You're going to focus on a couple different things. Your breathing is super important. So you want to have a nice rhythmic breathing. I like to breathe in sharp before I ever lift the bell, so it's That's how I would recommend get your breathing in. Do you see how I got a rhythm to this as well? Very important. You want to have a rhythm connected to your breathing. When you're doing those two things, the pattern is made simple. When you're randomly breathing, the pattern will get out of a rhythm and that's where you run into problems. So integrate your breathing with each rep. Now, your goal for this is max out that first set and then chip away until you're done with those 100 reps as fast as possible. That's for stability level. You have a couple different things that we want you to focus on. I already mentioned the breathing. The rhythm and cadence is the second thing. But the third point is really important, and this applies to all levels, stability, strength, or power. Don't redline. If you're doing your rep scheme and you're really hurting on your reps, put the bell down. Take 5 breaths. Rest a little bit and then hit it again. If you redline, which means you hit a failure rep like that, before the end of your test, you're most likely going to do what's called bonking. And you don't want to do that because once you bonk, it's hard to recover from that in the same workout. So breathing is important, find that rhythm with it, and don't redline, all right? Now, for strength and power levels, you're using 2 bells, and you're going to do what's called one of our favorite workouts. It's called the 15-15 workout. We've been doing this workout at the Monkey Bar Gym for over 20 years. And you're gonna work for 15 seconds on the clock. You're gonna rest for 15 seconds, work for 15 seconds, rest for 15 seconds. So every minute you're gonna do 2 working sets and you're going to rest as well, alternately with working sets. So now, how do you do this workout? Well, you gotta pace yourself. You gotta be real intelligent. So as you're starting the workout, you're going to maybe go for 5 reps in 15 seconds and keep that pace. That's the golden pace, because if you can do that pace for the 10 minutes, you're gonna end up with 100 total reps. When you can get 100 reps, you move up in weight. If whatever you get for a rep count though, below that, you're gonna write it down and work to improve it each time we repeat this workout. So how are you going to do this? Your goal is hit those same 3 points. You want to integrate your breathing. You want to find a rhythm, and you don't want to redline. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do double bells, clean and press. Big important thing, again, is breathing and finding that rhythm. Tip them, breath in. And I just did a set of 5 for you to see the pace. Probably took about 13, 14 seconds for me to do that. That's what I try and do when I'm doing the 15-15. Get it done in about 13 seconds. Now, if you're newer to this workout, pace yourself. Maybe if you feel like set of 5 is hard for you, do sets of 4 for a while. You'll know if you can pick the pace up, but what generally happens if people go out too hard, they start crashing. Ideally, you keep the same cadence the entire workout. And if you feel like you got a little left at the end, add some more reps. You got to start your set at the beep and finish before the beep for the 15 seconds. Your goal is 100 reps, but for right now, get as many as you can during that whole 10-minute set. Good luck.